Hello guys, my name is Alaydin. Let's move on. Conditional probability. Conditional probability means we have two events and one of them has already happened, and for the first one there's a condition and we are going to calculate or find the probability of event A for the second one, and it's written probability of A given B. We are going to use here the formula probability of A given B equals probability of A intersection B over probability of B. Here, if you multiply both sides by P of B, we are going to get P of B times, on the left hand side, P of B times P of A given B equals P of A and B. So it's written like this. It's called also multiplication rule. You can see we get here P of A and B equals P of B times P of A given B. Okay, let's move on. And here, example given. A fair die is rolled twice. What's the probability that the sum of the numbers rolled is 9 if it is known that one of the numbers is 4? Okay, you can see easily there are here two events. One of them has already happened and it's 4, and we are going to find the possibilities, all possibilities for the second event. Here there are two cases. One of them is the sum of the numbers is 9. The second event is one of the numbers is 4. Okay, for the first event, we call it event A. For the second event, we call it event B. Okay, then let's calculate all possibilities. Let's find all possibilities for event A. The sum of numbers for if a die rolled twice. So it may be 3, 6, 6, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4. Okay, for the second event, one of the numbers is 4. Okay, you can see easily. It may be 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 6, 6, 4. Okay, the set A includes 4, 5, 5, 4. The set B also includes the same elements, 4, 5, 5, 4. So we can say that probability of A given B is related to probability of A and B. So probability of A and B is, you can see, includes 4, 5, 5, 4. So by the definition, probability of A given B equals probability of A and B over probability of B equals 2 over 36 over 11 over 36. Then the answer 2 over 11. Why? Because here for the event B we have 11 case, and uh, it will be equal to 11 over 36, and probability of A intersection B has only two elements and it's equal to 2 over 36. And if you write the given possibilities, then we are going to find the answer 2 over 11. Then another events, independent events, is this. It's almost the same multiplication rule. Two events A and B are independent events if the outcomes in A do not affect the outcomes in B. Then probability of A intersection B equals probability of A times probability of A given B. We can write probability of A intersection B equals probability of A times probability of B. Okay, let's solve here a question. A die is rolled and a coin is tossed. Find the probability that the die shows a 5 and the coin shows a head. So they are not related to each other, then it's called independent events. Here, rolling a die and tossing a coin are two independent events. So the probability of rolling a 5 is event A and tossing a head is event H. Probability of A intersection B equals probability of A times probability of B. It's equal to 1/6 times 1/2. Then the answer is 1/12. Okay, this is done. I hope it's understood. Thank you for watching.